6 Incredible Spices and Herbs to Kill Diabetes. Diabetes has always been a major concern in many countries around the world. For those who have been diagnosed with the disease, it is a type 1 or type 2. One of the most important things it does maintain blood sugar levels. Herbs and spices can help diabetics keep blood sugar levels in the normal range, particularly if they maintain a healthy body weight. Cinnamon. Several studies have shown that this spice can lower blood sugar levels. Although more research is needed, cinnamon phytonutrients can effectively decrease inflammation, one of the causes of diabetes. In addition, it also helps in weight loss. Basil. One herb to add to your pantry is basil. Not only is it brittle, it can also lower blood sugar because of its high flavonoid content. Chamomile. This herb not only lowers blood sugar levels but also prevents complications due to illness. Chamomile does this by removing excess sugar in the blood and transferring it in the liver instead. In addition, it calms down. Cumin. Here is a spice you should start adding your dishes. Cumin can lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It is recommended to diabetics as it has a positive effect on the end products of advanced glycation, which are lipids or proteins that are harmful to the body. Turmeric. This is related to cumin, but turmeric has gained by several studies that support its many uses for our health. One of these uses is his ability to lower blood sugar. It is a potent spice to prevent inflammation, signals that hyperactive attack in diabetes, including cytokines. Cayenne pepper. If you are looking for something spicy, do not overlook the cayenne spice. Due to its heat, it can increase the body's metabolism after ingestion. As a result, burning fat is made much quicker and easier. Cayenne not only lowers blood sugar levels but also lowers blood cholesterol and blood clots that can damage the body.